friend Alex. Tell about your holiday place.
Thank you, Nandakumar. Hello everyone, I am Alex. I will go to speaking about my favorite place. My favorite place is Bothinga Sea and Trishandur. One time, me and my friend going to Trishandur. It was memorable moment. I will reach the place and I was and they was and we was going to Bothinga Sea. The culture was same Tirunelveli, not the culture was same. The food was same. All it was same because it was near the Tirunelveli.